What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike outlet find. Here we have the Nike Air Max 90 Viotechs in the 600 color code. I believe this is the better of the two Viotech color codes. Now I'm going to open up the shoebox right here and show you what we have inside. This is the Air Max 90 Viotech. Awesome colorway. A lot of crazy stuff going on. I've had a lot of Air Max 90s on my channel recently, so my subscribers should be aware about how they look. Leather Nike patch on the tongue, quite nice. Great colorway. If you're interested, check out the affiliate marketing link in the description to buy them on StockX. You might be able to find a pretty good deal considering they're in outlets. Let's throw them on foot here in just a second. Let me know what you think of the shoes in the comment section below. Here we have them on foot, and I gotta mention they look insane with joggers, so definitely check out the Amazon affiliate link to get yourself some joggers. That link is also in the description. This is a fire pair of Air Max 90s. Crazy colorway. All this suede material is really quite nice and premium, if you ask me. Sneakers look quite good on foot. You know, I really have no complaints at all, but these are quite insane. Usually I have something negative to say about sneakers. I just can't find anything too negative. I know the colorway is a little bit wild, but the shoes themselves really look good. Thanks for watching the video. These remind me of the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. I think Will would rock them. If you like the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.